It's another beautiful day here in Sonoma County. Welcome to 4661 Paulette Place in the highly sought after Mark West Estates. I'm Debbie Pennell with Corcoran Icon Properties.
And I'm Lauren Thompson. This home was just built in 2020. One of our favorite things about it is the primary bedroom and bathroom on the main level. It also has a very elegant open concept living space that will make you feel right at home.
As you can see, the curb appeal is a 10 out of 10, and just wait until you see the inside. Let's go check it out.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this property or anything else real estate related, please reach out.